Hi, I'm Miss Piggy.
Hi, I'm Hot Bunny.
I'm Rainbow Fish. Today we're going to talk about the New Tech Network. Yay! What kind of skills have you learned?
Well, we learned how to collaborate with others and also to present in front of other people.
Can you say that these skills have prepared you for college, career, and life?
Yes, it has!
To add on, in the New Tech Network, we also focus on school-wide outcomes, such as work ethic, numeracy, critical thinking, and communication, and much more. Wow! We are the New Tech Network! Yay! Woo!
Thanks to New Tech, I now know how to think critically on figuring things out on the spot. We have the New Tech Network.
Thanks to the New Tech Network, work ethic in my life has become a great thing, so that's why I think I'm ready for the real world. We are the New Tech Network.
New Tech taught me how.
Really?
New Tech has taught me how to finish a final product and work really hard to make that final product. We are the New Tech Network.